This one's over?
Danny,
Yes, chef.
what do you think of that?
Just right.
Yeah.
I have 2 more standby.
Look. I know you don't care. I do.
No, I do care, chef.
Okay.
Danny's gonna flip out. Danny's gonna flip out.
I wanted to get it up to the pass. I should have checked it. I understand. I can bring some more up.
Danny, you know, just shake it the fuck off and let's go.
So I'm gonna lose it in a second.
I just want the best.
I didn't ask to come back. I didn't ask to come back.
You good, Dan?
I'm gonna lose my shit.
Come on, Danny. I know you're strong. Get me those pork chops as soon as you can, Danny. Where is Danny? Where is she?
She left.
What do you mean she left?
Oh my God. You're cooking one meat and you've given up. Chef Ramsay says one mean thing to you and you're ready to go home and cry. I was just like, no fucking way.
Jack, you're gonna pick up that pork chop for me?
Got it.
You've been strong all night. I need you to help me finish strong.
You can't just leave. What's wrong with you? Who does that?